Hi friends. Welcome to Everyday Dialogue. Listen carefully. Here we go.
Robert, I'm so glad we came to Scotland. It's a wonderful place.
Yes, it's amazing. The weather is so nice today.
Look at that. What is that on top of the hill?
That is Edinburgh Castle. It's very old and beautiful, isn't it?
Wow, it's stunning. It looks so magical up there.
It is. They built it on a dormant volcano.
Really? A volcano? That's so interesting. Can we go inside?
Yes, we can. But let me check the visiting hours first. It's open from 9:30 to 6 o'clock. We have time.
Perfect. Let's go. Why did they build this castle? Do you know?
I read about it. They built it for protection from enemies.
That makes sense. It's very high, so they can see everything.
Exactly. Look at the walls. They are so strong.
How old is this castle?
It's very, very old. Parts of it are from the 12th century.
That's incredible. What else can we see inside?
We can see the crown jewels and the stone of destiny.
The Stone of Destiny? What is that?
It's an ancient stone. Kings and queens used it for coronations.
That's so cool. I want to take a picture of it.
Me too. And we can see the Great Hall. It's very big.
What did they use the Great Hall for?
For big parties, meetings, and royal ceremonies.
I can imagine it full of people. It must have been loud.
Probably. Do you like history, Jennifer?
Yes, I find it very interesting. Especially Scottish history.
Same for me. There's also a war memorial here.
A war memorial? For which war?
For Scottish soldiers who died in many wars.
That is very sad, but important to remember.
Yes, it is. We should go and see it too.
Of course. Hey, are you hungry? I'm a little hungry.
Me too. I think there is a cafe inside the castle.
Great. We can have some Scottish shortbread.
Good idea. I love shortbread. And maybe some tea.
Yes, let's do that. After the cafe, where should we go next?
My friend told me about St. Margaret's Chapel. It's here in the castle.
A chapel? Is it old?
Yes, it's the oldest building in Edinburgh.
Really? The oldest? We must see it then.
I agree. It's very small and peaceful.
What about the views from the castle? Can we see the whole city?
Oh yes, you can see all of Edinburgh. It's fantastic.
I can't wait to take photos. My family will love them.
Definitely. Look at the people. It's a popular place.
Yes, many tourists. Everyone wants to see this castle.
It's famous all over the world.
I understand why. It has everything: history, beauty, and great views.
You're right. I'm so excited to explore it.
Me too. Let's go buy our tickets. I see the ticket office.
Okay, let's go. This will be a great day.